The MetalCon will be back in 2026, the ultimate event for everyone into recording, mixing and mastering
Heavy music.
We will be back in April, and this time we're doing it bigger and better, and we're doing it in Berlin. Once again, we have invited some of the best metal producers in the business to do more than 40 workshops, panels and masterclasses, so you can meet them, look over their shoulder and learn from them. The workshops and panels will be about everything from recording guitars and drums up to mixing and even live sound. We will have 3 stages for exclusive live performances. But that's not all. We will have more than 20 studio rooms where you can check out all kinds of guitar, recording and studio gear. That's gonna be nice. But most importantly, you can meet a lot of fellow metal producers in a great atmosphere, get connected and have a lot of fun. Don't miss this opportunity and join the ultimate event for every metal producer right in the heart of Europe, right in Berlin. Get your tickets now. I see you at MetalCon in April.